Hello class, and welcome to ACLT 053 for week 10. For this week in the learning module, we'll be focusing on the criminal justice module, which is the CRJS learning module for short. We will be continuing this. For this week, we will be focusing on the critical reading number 2 in the CRJS discussion. In it, I'd like you to do the following. Reflect on the reading and videos in the ACLT and English 101 learning resources. Use the critical reading tutorial as a guide to respond to the questions below. Aim to compose 2 to 3 paragraphs that synthesize your ideas and show connections between them. Please, no bullets or numbers. Here are the questions. How do you connect with the ideas presented in the 3 articles regarding the criminal justice system? How did the information from the 3 articles extend your thinking? What did you learn and how did your thinking change? What challenges and questions do you have after reading the articles? Again, please respond to the questions in 2 to 3 paragraphs, not by bullet points, please. Include at least 2 paraphrased examples from the sources using MLA in-text citation and a complete works cited at the end in MLA. Please do not forget to respond to at least 2 other peers' responses on their discussion board post. Build on something they have said. Explain why or how you see things differently from your classmates. Ask a probing question or a clarifying question. Share some kind of insight. Maybe it's a personal insight that you've had from reading the articles or from reading your classmates' post. Validate an idea with your own experience. And then for the second post for the week, please complete the Module 3 Reading and Writing Reflection. This is reflection number 3. You should be very familiar with these reflections by now. But at the end of the week, you're going to connect, extend, and challenge your thinking. How did you connect with the materials and the assignments? How did the materials and assignments extend your thinking in new directions? What challenges about this week's materials and assignments did you come across? And what did you see? What did you think? What did you wonder? What did you notice? What do you think about as you read or as you read or watched the materials? How did the materials affect you? What did you wonder about? What questions do you have about the information you read and watched? Again, please respond in about 2 to 3 paragraphs. Include at least 2 quoted or paraphrased examples from the sources using MLA-style in-text citation and a complete works cited page. Please do not forget to respond to at least 2 other students' posts. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.